Hello friends, welcome to the lecture on binomial distribution. So till now we have seen the concept of binomial distribution and we have also tried to solve an example of binomial distribution. Now let us graph the binomial distribution through a histogram and see the results. Here this is the probability histogram when n is equal to 20 and probability of success is 0.8. Okay. Now this is another histogram for 20 number of trials and where the probability of success is 0.2. Okay. And now this is the third histogram where the number of trials remains same, that is 20, but the probability of success of any given trial is 0.5. Okay. You can conceptualize very clearly that the first graph, that is when p is equal to 0.8, it is skewed towards the left. Okay, that is the data of the graph are shifted towards the extreme right. Now coming to the second curve, here when probability is 0.2, the nature of the graph is rightly skewed. Okay, that is the frequency distribution is towards the extreme left of the curve. Okay, while you can easily see that the third graph, that is when p is equal to 0.5, it is quite symmetrical in nature. That is, the frequency of number of success are normally distributed in nature. Okay, what is the meaning of normal distribution curve, that we are going to see in our later classes. Okay, right now here we can see that when probability is equal to 0.5, the curve is quite symmetrical in nature and it is not skewed. So here we can see that as we increases the p value, the shape of histogram moves from extreme left to extreme right. Okay, so using this property we can define the concept of normal approximation of binomial distribution. Now in case of first graph, the mean is 20 times 0.8, that is 16. In case of second, when p is equal to 0.2, mean is 4, and in case of third curve, the mean is 10. Coming back to the first curve when p is equal to 0.8, here since the mean value is 16, so the shape of the graph must be of such a nature that the long term expected outcome of the number of success must be close to 16. Okay, so here we can see from the first curve that the mean of the curve is close to 16. Okay, similarly in case of second curve, since theoretically we have calculated mean as 4, now we can see the shape of the curve and we can easily derive that the mean of the shape is 4. Okay, similarly in case of third curve, the mean is 10 and this we can easily see in the curve given below. So now let's go to the concept of normal approximation of binomial distribution. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that if n is large and p is close to 0.5, then binomial distribution can be approximated as normal distribution. Okay, this we have seen. In this case, the number of trials are 20 and the probability of success of any single trial is 0.5. So if you plot the histogram, okay, then it would resemble the curve of normal distribution. Okay, so this property we are going to use in our lectures on sampling distribution. Okay, thank you.